We feel what's happening is wrong, and it's totally wrong. But when we look at the brighter side or the other side of it, we realize that this war between the Palestinians and the Israeli forces is continuing since decades. Since more than 75 years, this war is taking place. And we know that the Israelis have occupied the land of the Muslims, of the Palestinians, the Arabs. And we know that the Muslims, more than 75, 80 years back, they welcomed them. Hitler incinerated 6 million Jews. Many of the Jews came to Palestine and the Muslims welcomed them. But later on, the same Israelis, the Jews, who were given shelter by the Muslims, by the Palestinian Arabs, they kicked them out of the house, and when they want the land back, they are saying that they're terrorists.